2006 GMC Sierra 1500. Got a nice lift kit and wheels and tires. What we got done on it is we put two high flow catalytic converters, one there and one there. Then we put a Flowmaster 3-inch to 2 1/4 tailpipes, Flowmaster 40 series, two tailpipes 2 1/4 out to 4-inch tips, one right there and one right there. This is what it looks like. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Again, it's a Flowmaster 40 series duals with high flow cats into 4-inch tips. Hope you guys like it. That 40 series Flowmaster never disappoints. Really nice, beautiful. Let you guys hear on the inside.